Talent Timers. I've been waiting for you. Yes, we've been scouring the area for the greater Cleveland area top-notch amateur talents. We found it, both ends of the camera, and here he is, our new talent for tonight. Hi there. What is your name, please?
Steve Sutton.
Where are you from, Steve?
Medina.
Medina, representing Medina and doing what? What is your talent?
Impersonations.
Okay, we haven't had that for a long time. Okay, here we go. Steve Sutton.
I'm gonna do my Volkswagen. Me. Now I'm gonna do my semi. Now I'm gonna do my Yamaha. Now I'm gonna do my dragster. And now my chainsaw.
I'm sorry, Steve. This is a family show after all. Thank you, Steve. Don't call us. We'll call you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that mail has really been pouring in, that new Talent Time mailbox. Chuck's going to stand there looking like Kilroy was here. Tell us how you can be on New Talent Time. Go ahead, Chuck.
Thank you, Holy. Now, if you would like to be on New Talent Time, and who wouldn't? What's the address? Oh, send it to WJW-TV, 1630 Euclid Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio. New Talent Turner.